lovely people doing? I'm back again with another video looking like a goblin. So today's video is going to be a how to apply falsies, because some of my guys and girls still need help applying those falsies, okay? So I got you, okay? So we're gonna jump right into this. But before we do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so we can create a bigger family. I'm trying to create a family here on YouTube, so you might as well join. You're already watching this video, okay? Go ahead and do it. I'm gonna wait. Okay, so now let's get into the video. So ladies and gentlemen, what you're gonna need is some eyelash glue, some mascara, some falsies, and you already know, them tweezers. Especially if you're a beginner, this is something great to have. There's also multiple kinds of tweezers that are easier to help you apply your falsies, but I just have this one. But with my technique, you're gonna be okay if you just have these, okay? I got you. Remember, I got you. I just threw them lashes and I can't find another one. Pause. Okay, we're back. So what we're gonna do, the reason why we're gonna use the liquid eyeliner, maybe I didn't mention that. I forgot to mention that, but we're gonna use the liquid eyeliner just so we can conceal the band, I guess, of the lash. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a wing, and whatever size preference of a wing is what you can do. One side is a little messed up, but that's okay. So you're gonna take your lashes, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna place the tweezers and grab the lash in the middle right here. You're gonna make sure it's not on this part where you're gonna apply the glue, and then you're gonna take your glue. I use Duo glue, the dark version. So you're gonna take about a small amount of glue and put it on the back of your hand. You're going to take something that has a flat back like the eyelash glue, and you're going to dab some of that on the back, and you're going to put that glue on the eyelash band. Make sure you're not taking too much glue and putting it on the band as well. Just a small amount. You're going to sweep it across. Like such. So now what you're going to do is let it get tacky, and you're going to wait for about 20 to 30 seconds. Let it dry down a little bit. So once it's dried down a little bit now and it's a little bit tacky, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it up and you're gonna bring your head down a little bit, right? Because you don't want it to lay flat like this. You want to make sure the tweezers are in the middle of the eyelash. Look down a bit, but you're gonna place the lash in an upward position, and you're gonna first place it in the middle. You want to lay it down the middle first, and you can also close your eye. Now that it's in the middle, right? The beginning part and the end part is not actually on there. So what you're gonna do is place the back first, down. Then you're gonna come forward and place the front part down. And now you have applied your lash. So now what you're gonna do is take your mascara and put a light coat underneath. You don't want to swipe all the way up on the falsies. You just want to make sure you get your eyelash hair. You want to make sure it blends with the lash, basically. So I'm going to apply the other lash and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back with both lashes applied, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you guys liked it, and